As your enterprise scales, managing a global workforce can get increasingly complex. That's where Deel comes in, your trusted partner who's an expert in everything from compliance and equipment to visas and multi-country payroll. Companies trust Deel to manage their global payroll and workforce because our platform is built to scale with organizations of all sizes. All powered by in-house expertise, AI tools, and flexible solutions that fit into your tech stack. Deel's true difference lies in our accountability. We don't just wrap other vendor services in a simple UI. Instead, we build and own our infrastructure. Over 1,000 in-house legal and compliance experts, 200 of our own entities, and native payroll engines in over 50 countries give you more control, visibility, and expertise in every market. And if any issues come up, we're right there with you. Our payroll system lets you tackle challenges in real time alongside our team of experts. At the heart of our enterprise-ready platform is AI, powered by our in-house knowledge base. Whether you're navigating global employment laws or forecasting costs, Deel AI provides the knowledge you need to stay ahead. With Deel's Compliance Hub, you can always stay up to date on the latest regulations. Whether tax laws or employment regulations, Deel's built-in local compliance means you're fully compliant every step of the way. Deel also lets you integrate with the HRIS and ERP systems you already use, like Workday, SAP, or QuickBooks, to get real-time data and reduce manual work. With our open API and white label solutions, you can even incorporate the power of Deel right into your own platform to better serve your customers. And with Deel's permission system, you'll have enterprise-level security and control. Trusted by over 35,000 businesses worldwide, Deel has everything you and your team need to simplify global work.